Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to sell digital products on Convertkit. So please watch to then to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Convertkit, which is now called Kit, you can use our link in the description down below, or you may get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yes, as you can see, Kit is one of the best platform you can use for your business. So it uses email marketing, function, and also you can sell your digital products or physical products. Well, mainly digital products on your business right here. So this is one of the best platform you can use. So you can start earning money. So actually, you can just go to this website right here, kit.com, and sign up for an account. And after signing up, you will be redirected to the dashboard right here. And if you want to sell your digital products, it's just easy. The kit.com itself will show you on the dashboard itself, which it is the starting point of your goal. So you need to start earning money, yes, with digital products. So if you want, you can just click create product right here, or you can go to this tab right here, says earn, and click the drop down menu, and you will see products too. And if you click on it, you will be redirected to the product page. And right here, as you can see, you can start selling online with Kit. So Kit lets you create, manage, and sell digital products online, and you can now start selling your digital products by adding your first product or listing your first product. And after that, you need to set up your payout details, and after that, you're ready to receive the payment and also the orders. And if you want, you can just set up your payment first, or you can add your product directly. So let's add our product directly. So create a product. So you will be redirected to this window or this page right here. After you click on it, so you need to input your product details, the name of your product, and the type of your product. Is it a subscription base or a product base? So it's up to you which type of product you're selling. So I'm just going to put the name of my product. So I'm just going to put a random name. So let's say pizza, digital pizza. Okay, right here. And let's choose the product type as product. So pay once and have access forever. So click next, and after you click on it, you need to set up your price. So my currency is automatically US dollars. So I'm just going to put a US dollar price for my product. So let's just say $10. And also you can turn on these options right here. You can allow customers to choose a quantity. So you can enable this so that they can choose how many of that products they want to buy. And yes, as you can see, as I said, you can change the currency. So automatically it would be set to USD, but you can change it to British pounds, euros, Canadian dollars, Australian dollars, and New Zealand dollars. And it's up to you. So after that, just click next. And now you're on the fulfillment tab. So you're selling a digital download, a newsletters, or something else. So it's up to you what type of product you're selling, or what kind of product you're selling. It is a Whether it is a digital product, ebook, etc., or newsletter. So this is actually a members only newsletter. So only subscribe customers can purchase this product if you choose this kind. So let's just choose digital download. So after that, you just need to upload a file for your digital product. So any of the any file that shows the product itself, the digital product itself. So you just need to upload it right here. So actually the maximum upload size would be 500 megabytes. So above that, you can upload. So make sure that it is under 500 megabytes. So as you can see, it start uploading. So let's say I'm selling this digital product right here. So right here, as you can see, it's done uploading. So after you're done uploading your file, just click next. And after that, you need to have a custom domain and the page URL for your product. So it's up to you. So the custom domain will be default, but you can change it whatever you want. So after you're done with your domain name, you can now just click create products. And after that, you will be redirected to this page where you need to edit the product page of your product itself. So this is the product page. of your product. So this is what the customers would see if they click on your product, and they can see this one. So you can edit this whatever you want. It's up to you. So you can change the description. This one, you can change the text, the font, and the font size, and also the color of the page itself. So after you're done editing this product page, you now need to set up payments. So you need to set up your payments. ConvertKit will ask you before you can set payouts or your payments. They need to know if you're an individual or a company. So if you are a company, choose company. But if you're having a individual business, you can choose individual. So click continue. So after managing your email address, you would be redirected to this page where you would set up your payments. So you just need to input your email right here. So you need to have a partnership with Stripe, since ConvertKit or Kit Incorporated uses Stripe as their payment model or payment gateway. So yeah, so after you're done setting up your payments, you just need to go to the checkout page also, so that you can start editing this checkout page. So yeah, it's up to you. You can change the font text, the font style, everything right here, the background itself. Yeah, and for the confirmation and also the receipt email. So after you're done editing all of this page right here, so after you're good with that, you can just click publish. So you can just click save, and after clicking save, you just need to publish your product so that it would be listed under your account, and now people can see it on Kit itself and buy your product. So as you can see, I have not set up my payments since this is not my account. But yeah, you just need to set up your payments, and after setting up your payment with Stripe, you can now publish your product right here, and it would be listed. And that's it. That's how you can add your that's how you can sell your digital products on ConvertKit or Kit. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.